Okay, here I want to proceed the explanation about factors affecting the development of Islamic capital market in Malaysia. So basically, Islamic capital market in Malaysia grows rapidly in the world, and Malaysia is a country that categorized as a creative leader in development of Islamic finance product in the global market. For example, the report conducted by International Islamic Financial Market in 2019 shows that Malaysia reached highest amount of sukuk issuer in the world. And also, Malaysia categorized as the country that reached 60% of the market share of the sukuk issuance in the world, followed by Indonesia, Bahrain, UAE, and also Brunei Darussalam. It means that the sukuk issuance or Islamic capital market instrument potential to fulfill the fiscal deficit to finance and develop the requirement infrastructure on the other sector. This achievement cannot be achieved without providing the supportive regulation or the other factors that contribute to support the ICM in Malaysia. The first factor that can influence the development of ICM in Malaysia is creating framework and guidelines for the ecosystem. It means that the government had launched several supportive regulation or guidelines to be used for the stakeholders inside the market. The government launched guideline on Islamic rates in 2005. Government provide the guidelines to offer Islamic securities in 2004, and also established Sharia Advisory Council and published standard by Islamic Financial Service Board as guiding principle on Sharia governance system, conducting business, and also collective investment scheme. This regulation also benefit not only for the issuer but also for the companies and also for the investors. The aim of this regulation is to protect the investor itself, ensuring fair trade, transparent, and also efficient in the market. The lastly is reduction of the systemic risk. It's also important. The second factor is the participation on the environment, social, and governance investors. It means that the integration between Islamic capital market and ESG investors drive the investors to willing to buy or choose the environmentally instruments. It means that they are proud by having ownership to improve their investment requirement while aligning in social and environmentally goals. For example, in 2017, the sukuk issuance in Malaysia is participating the construct large scale of photovoltaic power plant in Kudat, Sabah. It means that the investors are more likely to invest in this issuance due to their participation to create new electrical product, which is the power plant, the renewable power plant. The third factor is presence of highly skilled Islamic finance workforce. Yes, to meet the human capital needs in Islamic finance industry, the government in Malaysia proactively taken initiatives which transform Malaysia to become a leader in the supply of Islamic finance human capital. There are also some programs that implemented by the government to develop human capital skill in Malaysia. The fourth factor is supportive government regulation. The government established entity, namely Malaysia International Financial Center or MIFC, to strengthen Islamic financial hub in Malaysia. The role of this entity is to create the allowance or license for international banks to offer Islamic banking services in other currencies. And for the last factors is academic and research support. Without contribution of the academician, it also can be achieve Malaysia as a creative country to develop new Islamic finance product. International Sharia Research Academy is dedicated to conduct research including Islamic finance to develop Sharia expertise in some areas. On the other hand, Bank Malaysia also established the endowment fund, which reached to 200 million ringgit Malaysia to enhance knowledge, research, creating talent, and also develop skill of existing Islamic human capital in Malaysia.